Welcome. This is Ethical and Legal Aspects of Sports for the graduate class here at St. John's University. I'm your professor, Robert Romano, and I'll be your online instructor for this semester. Just so you're aware, this is a totally online class, so you're required to log on every week to find out what the assignments are, to submit any papers, and to participate in the discussion questions. For this course, there's a required textbook. That textbook is on the syllabus, but is called Sports Law and Regulations, Cases, Materials, Problems. It's the third edition. It's written by Mr. Mitten and is published through Aspen Publishers. Throughout this semester, I'll also be referring to the Sports Business Journal or Sports Business Daily frequently, so if you have access to that publication, that would be great also. In addition, I post articles frequently on my own sports blog entitled www.romanoonsports.com. So your the textbook is required since we'll be pulling cases from that textbook. But again, I'd also wish you to get Sports Business Journal and the Sports Business Daily. Grading for this class is broken down into 3 sections. The first are the online discussions. There'll be discussion questions posted each week. You are to log on and answer and comment on those discussion questions during the period. At the end of the week, I do close the discussion questions, so you'll not be able to go on the next week and answer, or 2 weeks down the road and answer. They'll be open for 3 days. You are to answer and respond to the discussion questions during that period of time. In addition, there'll be 3 short papers due during the semester. Each one is about 500 to 750 words in length and be on different topics that I will post during this semester. In addition, there'll be your final paper, which is worth 40% of your grade. That is due at the conclusion of the semester, May 8th, and that paper is to be between 250 and 3,000 words. Again, during the course of the semester, you can email me which topics you would like to discuss in your paper, and if I approve it, then that'll be fine. You can submit a paper on that topic. During the first week, I would like you to submit a bio and expectations paper by January 23rd, 8 p.m. And that's just a brief 1.5 page paper telling me who you are, what you do, and what you would like to do in the world of sports. In addition, what your expectations are, and what you would like to get out of this course. And again, that paper is due January 23rd, this upcoming Friday at 8 p.m. There is a Dropbox in the first week content page for you to submit that paper. This course is 15 weeks, with only 14 lessons. One of the weeks is your spring break, and that is the last week in February, so there'll be no online course during that week. We'll begin with the first 2 or 3 classes being an overview of what law is, where we get our law, our sources of law, the different types of law that are out there, criminal law, civil law, and the like. And then we'll get into discussions on intercollegiate sports. From there, we'll move on to professional sports, the role of the commissioners, the power of the commissioners. From there, we'll get into intellectual property rights. What rights do players have to their own image, to their own likeness? We will also discuss collective bargaining and labor issues that are always involved in sports. From there, we'll touch upon risk management issues, alcohol, stadium security, and the like. And we will also discuss the power and role of agents in sports. So, this is a brief overview of what the course will contain. To reach me during the course of the semester is relatively easy. My email address, as it is on the syllabus, is romanor1@stjohns.edu. I can also be reached by my cell phone at 203-777-9797. Or if you wish to Skype, I am available by Skype, and you wish to Skype, I can be reached. My Skype address is rjr2128. So welcome to Ethical and Legal Aspects of Sports. I'm looking forward to working with you this semester. Should you have any questions or comments or concerns, always feel free to reach out. Well, welcome, and looking forward to the semester.